And it's interesting that Leanne seems to be very open to immigration into the UK, but if it goes into Welsh-speaking communities, then she's got something very serious to say.
Okay. All right.
Hang on. He said something here now, and without anything to back it up. What are you talking about? Quote me. Give me anything that can back up what you just said.
I can absolutely say that when there's a migration into Welsh-speaking communities, that the integration in those communities, and I'm a passionate Welsh speaker, supporting those communities, isn't necessarily as it is. And many of your members have taken direct action in the past. Many have broken the law to that effect, and I would hope that you would condemn them, to, bearing in mind the standpoint that you're taking now.
Who are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Leanne,
what are you talking about?
You absolutely know that we can go to communities.
All right.
No, absolutely not. You and the audience will know as well that there are communities in Wales where there are nationalist activists that take direct action against people who come in. It wasn't so long ago.
Where?
It wasn't so long ago that some of the cottages were being burnt down. That direct action was banned.
Hang on, that has nothing to do with Plaid Cymru.
All right, the woman there.
That's outrageous. Absolutely outrageous.
A brief